how to set up a passkey for an easier login on TikTok. So if you want to set up a passkey for an easier login on TikTok, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your TikTok application. Once you open up your TikTok, now you need to go with the profile option, which is on the bottom right, and go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon. Go with settings and privacy, and under your settings and privacy, go with the account option. Under account, you will have the passkey. So simply tap on passkey and go with setup, which is here on the bottom. And once you tap on setup, you'll need to choose a passkey or create a passkey. And after that, you can go with continue, which will be on the bottom of your screen. And you can use your screen lock or your fingerprint for your encryption. And after that, your passkey will be added. So that's how you can set up a passkey for an easier login on TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.